Yes, so this is the Southwark Queen Village Community Garden. It's been here since 1976. And we've always been a demonstration project in addition to being a community garden. So one of our most recent demonstration projects is the green roof on top of what we call our honey house, where we process the honey from our bees. So this structure was built probably over the course of several weeks, a couple of summers ago. But we wanted to do the actual installation of the green roof as a workshop. And that's exactly what we did. We had probably about a dozen people sign up, and it went pretty fast. It was, it was well organized. So all the materials were here in the garden, and we worked with a roofing company, and in addition to some plant specialists who brought the plant materials. And like I said, it was kind of assembly line style. You've seen the video, Alex, so you know how it was done. And it was surprising that those few plants over the course of 2 years have grown, have thrived, and it's been pretty effective as a best management practice for stormwater management.
Sure. I remember you saying it's incredible that the plants grow in such little amount of medium up there.
Well, that's what's kind of striking, and I guess they're kind of amazing plants. I guess they're a form of sedum, and what's interesting about them, we were told, is that not only can they survive heavy, inundation with stormwater and rainwater, but at the same time, they're very drought tolerant. So they're wet tolerant and they're drought tolerant. And like I said, the medium is a little bit of mulch and gravel, and that's what they grow in. So, it's just kind of stunning that these plants, have these capabilities, and they're like, there's no labor involved with them at all.
Yeah. How about the rainwater harvesting? Are these rain barrels here?
These are, because in a heavy rain, of course, a roof that size, it's not that big. It's not going to capture every bit of storm water, not every bit of rainwater. So the overflow ends up in these barrels. So you can see in the corners of the roof up there, I don't know if you saw that, there's, there are coarser pebbles in the corner. So any excess water that doesn't get absorbed or basically isn't trapped by the plants up there ends up in the corners through these downspouts, and this is our overflow. Of course, the amazing thing about this garden is it actually serves as a stormwater management site, because it's been here for over 30 years. The soil's been worked for 30 years, so it's not compacted urban soil. It's basically organic agricultural soil. So when it does rain, and I guess when the rain comes off the roofs, off the properties around us, this garden traps a lot of stormwater. So the city should think about sites that are in existence now and think of them as best management practices, even though they may not be thought of that